Alright, so here we are working on addressing the problem of the P0740 code, the transmission control circuit, or I think it was clutch control circuit. So basically we're starting with the easy stuff, the basic stuff, the inexpensive items. We're checking the transmission control solenoid here. The filter is known to get plugged. The other thing is we did a drain refill on the transmission fluid, and we're hoping that by getting out the old dirty fluid that might alleviate the problem as well. By looking at the filter, it's not plugged, so either the solenoids are bad or, well, I don't know, we'll hope for the best. We're not transmission pros, but we're doing the best we can. So what we did is we took out the airbox piece here. It was 5 bolts holding that in, and then there was this electrical harness piece was clipped into it. You got to slide that off. And then we removed the battery and took out the tray, which was 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that are 12 millimeter head. The airbox had the 5 10 millimeter head bolts, and then once we got down here, there's the 2 connectors to remove from the solenoids. We also took out the 10 millimeter head bolt that holds a support bracket, which was in the way of getting out the 2 lower bolts for the solenoid assembly, and that was held in with 6 10 millimeter head bolts. And so as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, after removing it, there's no obvious problem there. I'm sure some further testing could find something. We'll have to maybe look into how to test these solenoids and see what's going on here. Otherwise, looks like people are saying that the transmission itself or the torque converter is bad. So definitely gonna have to do some more investigating, but this is phase 1 here to give you an idea where to start.